Why do magnifying glasses make things look bigger? One sunny afternoon, Olivia was using a magnifying glass to look at a leaf. She noticed that the leaf looked bigger and wondered why.
Why does the magnifying glass make everything look bigger?
Suddenly, a tiny fairy named Lex appeared to explain how magnifying glasses work.
Hi Olivia. I'm Lex, the science fairy. Let me explain why magnifying glasses make things look bigger.
Lex explained that a magnifying glass is a special kind of lens that bends light to make things look bigger.
A magnifying glass is a special lens that bends light, making objects appear bigger than they are.
Lex told Olivia that the magnifying glass bends light in a way that makes things appear larger when you look through it.
The magnifying glass bends light toward the center, making the objects behind it look bigger.
Lex explained that the lens in the magnifying glass makes things look closer than they really are.
The lens in a magnifying glass makes things look closer, which is why they seem bigger.
Lex told Olivia that magnifying glasses have convex lenses, which curve outward and make things look bigger.
A magnifying glass has a convex lens, which curves outward and makes objects look bigger.
Lex explained that the outward curve of the convex lens makes light bend inward, making things appear larger.
The convex lens bends light inward, making the objects behind it appear bigger.
Lex told Olivia that magnifying glasses help people see tiny details that are hard to see with just their eyes.
Magnifying glasses help you see tiny details that are hard to see with just your eyes.
Lex told Olivia that scientists often use magnifying glasses to study tiny things like insects or plants.
Scientists use magnifying glasses to study tiny things like insects, plants, and even the fine details on rocks.
Olivia smiled, now understanding how magnifying glasses work, and couldn't wait to explore more with her magnifying glass.
Thanks, Lex. Now I know why magnifying glasses make everything look bigger.